Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. Please watch this video to the end, and if you like it, then support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, I will tell you about the cryptocurrency called SafeMoon, tell you about its pros and cons. What do you think the maximum price of SafeMoon will be in 2021? Write your answers in the comments. The SafeMoon protocol is a decentralized financial token. According to the SafeMoon website, SafeMoon has three functions that occur during each transaction: reflection, LP acquisition, and burning. SafeMoon is now widely known in the world of cryptocurrencies with the status of a very promising cryptocurrency. SafeMoon is a serious project, backed by a strong team with extensive experience. Want to buy SafeMoon directly? Then you can go to the world's largest exchange, Binance. Binance is a very practical exchange where you can buy or sell a lot of cryptocurrencies. Another OKEX exchange. OKEX is an exchange with a large number of options, and is also very popular among crypto traders. By depositing money into your exchange account, you can immediately start buying cryptography. This is very easy and can be done directly. For larger investments, you need to verify your account, but this only applies to a certain amount. Currently, SafeMoon is developing into one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world. Thanks in part to partnerships with a number of major companies and the social acceptance of SafeMoon, the future of SafeMoon looks very bright. These two factors also contribute to the fact that SafeMoon's price forecast for 2021 is very good. The price is going up because more and more people are investing in this cryptocurrency. Many cryptocurrency experts believe that the price of SafeMoon will rise sharply in the future. This is partly due to the fact that the crypto market as a whole is growing and becoming more well-known. There are even governments that are concerned about this. However, the crypto market can be called extremely volatile. Large price increases and price declines can occur in a short time. However, it is clear that the SafeMoon team still has big plans for the future, and SafeMoon is definitely a currency to be reckoned with in the future. When you look at the past price of SafeMoon and analyze it briefly, a 100% or 200% increase in SafeMoon over 2025 is certainly not a crazy thought. Therefore, it is not an unrealistic forecast to see this crypto growth in the future. To find out why SafeMoon is growing, you will have to delve into the latest SafeMoon news to find out what the latest SEIFMUN events are. For example, has SafeMoon entered into a new partnership that has given SafeMoon more recognition? Then the SafeMoon price may experience positive growth. You also see, for example, that some large companies or well-known individuals invest in cryptocurrency, which often also has a positive effect on the price. SafeMoon's live price today is $0.000004 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $24,190,000 USD. SafeMoon is down 11.34% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is ranked 203rd with a real market capitalization of $2,107,000,000 USD, and its working stock is 585,536,000,000,000 coins and max. Supply is not available. SafeMoon's forecasts for 2025 are certainly positive. Obviously, SafeMoon is gaining public acceptance, and we predict that it will continue to be actively developed in the future. This will benefit the SafeMoon price in 2021, 2022, 2025. If SafeMoon continues the trend in the market, more investors will be in it due to FOMO, so the price could break a new high of $0.0000288 by the end of this year. On the other hand, SafeMoon, currently volatile, if it starts hovering higher in the coming days, could create FUD, and so the price could drop to $0.000018. How much do you think SafeMoon will cost by the end of this month? Write your answers in the comments.